We're going to the car wash at Quick Quack. Da 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 da. Don't drive dirty, 'cause Quackles won't like it. We're going to the car wash. Da 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 da. Quick Quack car wash. Quick Quack car wash. Going to the car wash. Da 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 da.
Get the picture of the Becky.
I know. Can you find Quackles in the car wash? Whee!
There he is. He's a bug blaster.
Yay!
He didn't give me the duck bath ring.
We didn't get the duck bath, you guys.
Go back through?
No.
What's wrong with these people?
Guess they just don't know what a employee wash is. Look at that, Luigi. Look at that. Whee! There it is. There's a duck bath right there. Look at those colors.
That's orange.
Is it?
This doesn't happen at your wash.
No?
That's gonna wet you.
And we're almost to the end. I think I found Quackles. Quackles, I found Quackles. He's over there at the tire
It's gonna take
shine.
a lot longer. What's gonna eat my Wow! We did get the car wash. But we didn't get the orange duck bath. Spot
Free rinse. Spot free rinse. Woohoo!
Do it.
There's Quackles, tire shine. Woo! Let's swing them now.
Cigarette flew out right there.